Available early March. This 2-bedroom/2-bath cottage is located in Gainesville Heights, right off 6th Street, near Wards, a bus route, shopping, and dining. The unit is pet-friendly, features a courtyard and patio, and is perfect for students or professionals. There are laundry facilities on-site shared among 4 units. Schedule a showing today. We kindly provide a 24-hour notice to all occupied properties. $55 application fee per person over the age of 18. $55 guarantor fee, if applicable. $150 leasing fee, due at time of lease signing. $200 non-refundable pet fee, per pet, per year. Breed restrictions apply. Washer-dryer are on-site and shared between 4 units.